I really hope I'm not the only one, but when I find a new recipe that I absolutely love, I'll wear it out for like a whole week before I get tired of it. I made these bagels and I've been taking them for breakfast to work, adding some cream cheese, even making some little salmon sandwiches with an herb cream cheese, and I've been living good. So, this is a 4 ingredient bagel recipe that requires no flour. It is almond flour, a little bit of salt, some Greek yogurt, and apple cider vinegar. That is it. You just add everything into a bowl, mix it until it is well combined. It's going to be a sticky, crumbly dough texture. So there's a few different ways you can assemble these. You can just make them by hand and form them on a pan and bake them in the oven. If you have a donut mold, you can also use that. Now, I like to add some toppings onto mine. I actually added some cheddar cheese and sliced jalapenos, and it was so good. And I'll be 1000% honest, when I ran out of bagels, I came back to the kitchen and made these little bagel crisps. I just used a cookie scoop, pressed them onto a parchment paper, added a little egg wash, and again, some more cheese and jalapenos. But if you make this, you can certainly add whatever toppings you want, but it comes out so good.